Hi everyone, welcome to Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. Today, it's going to be all about Accu-Flex. So if you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's talk Accu-Flex. I am going to tell you my absolute favorite Accu-Flex at the end of the video, but for now, let's just talk about Accu-Flex in general. It comes in lots of different grades of Accu-Flex, 7, 19, 21, and 49 strand. And that's my favorite, is the 49 strand. It's the most flexible and it's super strong. I mean, think about suspension bridges like the Golden Gate Bridge. That's what holds that bridge up, is cables. Cables made with lots and lots of individual strands of small wire in there. Super strong stuff. This is the exact same thing, stainless steel cable in a nylon sleeve to give it its color, whether it's clear or colored. But it's just down to a small jewelry size level, that's all. So if you want something strong for your jewelry needs, it's going to be a cable, a beading wire cable like Accu-Flex. Cool stuff. So we have it in all kinds of sizes too, from a 0.078 inch titanium single strand version to a 0.024 inch diameter. Enough about the sizes and the numbers. Let's talk about the colors. Check out the colors we have. Now, the most popular is what is called clear. Now, this is clear, but it's really not clear. It's that stainless steel gray color. It just has a clear nylon coating over the top. And that's what we call clear. We even have the clear in 1,000-foot spools. But we also have the green and the rust and the gold and all those wonderful colors. Now, I said I was going to tell you my absolute favorite ones. My absolute favorite ones are the Dijon gold and also the pearl. And the reason I like these colors is because they blend really well with designs that are using gold or silver wire. And usually you're only showing a little tiny bit when you're doing a design like this design here. It's only on the very back that you might see the Accu-Flex. So the Dijon gold and the pearl is great for that. And there are also gold plated and silver plated Accu-Flexes too, but these are my favorite go-to colors. If you want to actually show the Accu-Flex with all the color out there in its glory, like on this floating necklace, then you might want to get one of those great colors for when you want to show your Accu-Flex. It is a beautiful product. Now, if I've got Accu-Flex, I've also usually got a little bit of a problem because that wire comes out into my beading supplies and makes a horrible mess, so I always use a spool tamer as well. We also have those at Fire Mountain Gems. The spool tamer is awesome. It's like a little piece of elastic, and I can grab this little tab here, and I can grab the wire here, and I can just pull out as much as I want, just like that. And I can even rewind it back in. So spool tamers, and also when you're using Accu-Flex, you're also going to want some Accu guards, some crimp beads, some crimp covers, and of course your crimping pliers. But that's a whole nother video. I hope you check it out at firemountaingems.com. Please subscribe to our videos. Your interest keeps us making them, and subscribe to the emails as well. If you do, you'll receive our free ebook full of projects. You can sign up for that in the link below. In the meantime, I hope I've solved all your mysteries and questions about Accu-Flex and what you can do with it and how great it is for all your beading needs. Thank you so much for joining me, and happy beading! So if you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.